guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is super simple to make but super tasty. This is my husband's favorite, which is stir-fry garlic shrimp or prawn. No, prawn is too small. Shrimps, the larger one. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Heat 2 tablespoons butter with 1/4 cup of diced onion. These are from frozen packaging, and 2 garlic that you slice, also a couple of chili, red bird-eye chilies, and we're just gonna heat it and melt it and saute it until fragrant. Once fragrant, add in your frozen shrimp. So this was frozen. Just give a quick rinse, and then we're gonna saute it until pinkish. Pour in tiny bit of water, about 2 tablespoons. Just keep sauteing. Add in 2 baby or cherry tomato, and we gonna season it with Vegeta powder or salt and sugar and a little MSG if you like. And your shrimps ready to serve in a minute. So simple, no hassle, tasty.